Hey, this is Sam with Sam's Garage Sale, and there were a lot of you guys were asking me about these wooden crates that we had earlier this week, and we ran out of. In fact, we ran out of them real quick, and I told you that I would go and get some more. Well, guess what? You ask. It's kind of late, so sorry about the lighting here. There you go. We've got 100 of these crates. They're used ammo crates from the U.S. military. Have all kinds of great uses. There you see them. And of course we have our black 25 millimeter cans also. So this is a real quick follow-up for you. There you have it. Sam's Garage Sale signing off. By the way, these the wooden boxes are 32 inches long, 12 inches wide, 12 inches high.